Hey guys! So today we are playing Minecraft for the first time in a while, and I think many of you wondered why that we never got to see my iCarly Benson apartment. That's because it really never led anywhere. But now it does. It leads to an actual apartment, like Carly's does. But we're not going to go in there in this episode. As you might have saw my video, Roblox is down, so that's why I'm playing Minecraft. So we get to go in, and here it is. This before used to be a small little blue room, but now it's a actual apartment, and this is their dining room. I'll make more rooms later, but for now, this is their apartment. I also updated their little door things. I don't even know what these are called, but I also updated their door things a little bit. Yeah. So that's basically it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, comment, subscribe. Bye!